This is Quinn and Amara with Kaizink, and today we're going to show you how to peel the backer off of mesh banners. So mesh banners come with a backer on it so that the ink doesn't soak through onto the printer. And a lot of our mesh banners are longer than the table. So if you're running just a short mesh banner, you can trim the whole thing out and then peel it. But when they're longer, you want to trim and peel it in line so that you're not rolling it just to unroll it to pull that backer back off. So what you're going to do is we've made our first set of trims, so we've trimmed up until where it's rolled back there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to peel. So we pull here, and then we're going to start to roll this. So we'll just tuck it in. And then we can peel as we roll. And then we'll do this all the way down to right there. And then we can start to trim that next section, peel it again until we're done with it. Alright, so now we've reached the end of the roll. So once you peel that last bit of it off, the backer all goes in the trash. And then your banner is ready to roll back out this way, upside down, so that you can do your hem and grommets.